This is a desktop review and cleaning of the Glock 19 Gen 4. This is my Glock 19 Gen 4. I purchased it in 2013. It has a standard capacity 15 round magazine. It is extremely reliable. It is very accurate. It is very easy to shoot and extremely popular with American shooters. Matter of fact, it is often referred to as America's gun. The Model 19 is the most popular model of Glock sold in the United States. It's also the little brother of the Glock 23 Gen 4. This is also my gun. This one is identical to the Glock 19 in width and size. The barrel's a little larger, but the slide and weight are almost identical. It shoots a .40 caliber Smith & Wesson bullet and has a standard capacity of 13 rounds. The gun comes with its own box, which every gun does. This one is a red box, meaning it is for civilian use in the United States. A blue box would mean it was for police use. Police and civilian guns are identical. There's no significant difference that I've ever detected. Let's open the box and see what we got in there. Comes with 2 additional standard capacity magazines, a loader, which I never use, and an assortment of back straps. Comes with a fired case, safety instructions, which I've never opened, a cleaning rod, and a brush. To clean a Glock 19, as to clean any Glock, first you want to do is make sure that it's not loaded. You do this by looking in the chamber, so pulling the slide back and making sure there's no brass or bullets in the chamber. Make sure the magazine is released. Pulling back slightly on the slide. Pulling these tabs down with both fingers. Letting the slide go forward. Pulling the trigger and pulling the slide off. The Glock 19 Gen 4 has a captured spring. Captured double spring, actually. And this is as far as disassembly will allow on the spring itself. The barrel is in the slide, and all you have to do is pull back and out, and it is separated. And this is the receiver. Most of it is polymer plastic, which adds to its light weight and is very strong. The metal parts are right here, and those parts probably can come out with a disassembly tool, but I've never done that, and if you're not a gunsmith, you probably never will. First thing I like to do is use some ballistol to clean the gun. The trigger mechanism is in here. I like to put a little ballistol down the barrel because I'm going to use that as my cleaner. I know there's enough when it comes out the other end. And we'll put it on there. I take my used sock, which is somewhat clean, and begin removing all the dirt. It gets a good deal of the dirt, making sure to get the firing pin face, striker face here. Get the outside of the barrel. Get the receiver. Don't be afraid to use ballistol, it's good for the gun. It prohibits rust, and it is also a lubricant. Looks good. Now I take a toothbrush, get in all the small parts that I can't get in there with my fingers. Let's see if I can get everything out of there. striker, get the firing pin face on the slide. Making sure I got the rails. Cleaning patch. Put it in here. Run it down the barrel. See how clean it came out. It's a little dirty, not too bad. Pull it back. That's pretty clean. Yeah, that's very clean. Run the brush through it one time, see if we can get any more dirt out of there. Take it. You always want to go with the path of the bullet. Okay. Patch on. See if we picked up any more dirt. And basically it's pretty clean. So it was pretty clean to begin with. Reassembly is quite easy. We take our slide, we turn the barrel in the slot, push it forward, pull it back, get our captured spring, put it in here. There's a groove cut into the barrel right there. Barrel notch, push it forward, and the spring and barrel are in place. Take your receiver, join up where the slides are. First let's put some oil in the slide. I like to put a little rem oil just in the touches where the slide meets. These are the actual rails that the slide rides on. Pull it back, and you're ready for business. That's the desktop review and cleaning of a Glock 19 Gen 4. Put the magazine in, you're ready for shooting.